Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your profile account on the Nike application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the profile icon down below, which is the last option. Now tap on edit profile, but first you can also add the profile picture by tapping on this profile icon in the middle of the screen. And now you can take a photo by tapping on the first button, or you can also choose a picture from your gallery that you have already taken. If you want to add more information about yourself, tap on edit profile, so you can type in your name, your hometown, concerning your town, city, country and region, and you can also write something about yourself. If you are done with these steps, all you have to do is tapping on the save button that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.